Oh. And then I'm just gonna wait. Testing 1, 2, 3. Gives it a couple of seconds here. Oh, dang it. GM. So I'm gonna do a little quick audio test here. GM. So I'm gonna do a little quick testing audio test here. All right, 1 second, guys. Let me just see if I'm coming through audio. Oh. Let me just see if. Oh. And then I'm just gonna wait. Testing 1, 2, 3. Gives it a couple of seconds here. Oh, dang it. Oh, hold on. GM. So I'm gonna do a little quick audio here. GM. Okay, never mind. It is working. Sorry. So back to the charts, guys. So Bitcoin has broken 20K the last couple of days. I was at the beach, but look at this. It bounced off of 17,623. I drew this line way before this happened, by the way. I'll get to that in a minute. And actually, let's just do that right now. So let me go to the weekly chart. Get rid of this market stuff for B. So the blue line, that's a 200-week moving average. It was at 22K. This first white line was basically the Bitcoin's top in 2017. Then this line, I was looking for any kind of resistance, and I found it right here on the weekly. There was a support, December of 2020. If we go to the daily, yeah, so see, it was a couple times it was hit here. And if we go back to here, oh sorry, that's the top of 2017. Then there was a couple touches here on this next line, and there's a lot of touches here. Actually, that's why I had 17,623 marked. And then the next one is 16,000. The next one is 14,000. The next one is 12,000. So Bitcoin has bounced right off this 17,623 mark. So I was able to buy some more Bitcoin around 18,500. I didn't catch the bottom, but who cares? I bought here, and I bought Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. I even bought Algorand. So I'm buying a little bit of Algorand. But here's how the bounce is playing out right now. Hopefully it's not a dead cat, but we'll see. But yeah, this is a very short video, guys. Just like the 200 week was broken. We broke the past all-time high on Bitcoin, so which never happened before in history. Got one viewer, hey Dinero DYL. But yeah, so that's where Bitcoin is. I'm just starting the dollar cost average every single day now. And then here is Ethereum. Went all the way down to 800. Wow, 888, 880, and it's bounced since. I bought some in the $900 range, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see if there's a dead cat bounce, or continues down. But I'm just dollar cost averaging every day. I did buy a bigger than my regular buys yesterday. Here's Solana. Solana has been holding up well. I was expecting it to go to $20, but it's been holding up well. The upgrades have been increasing its speed, like 3,000 transactions per second, sub-second finality. Now there's some drama with Solana, but we'll see how that plays out. I'm personally not too concerned about that. But anyways, I'm just dollar cost averaging in, little buys here and there, may lower, may higher on certain days, but right now is the time to be buying. Where could Bitcoin go? One more time. These are just my targets. It bounced off of 17.6. We could easily get back there. Then we could easily drop down to 16. I don't think we could crash as low as 12,000. That would be crazy. But who knows in this environment? So it doesn't matter. I'm just a buyer at all these different levels. So predict 10K. I find that hard to believe. Let's see, where's 10K at? 10K. So okay, there is like a, let me draw this. There seems to be a lot of activity in this range, which is around the 10,000 level, but that would be pretty insane. That would be insane. But 10K, we'll see. We'll see what that happens. In fact, here, let me put on the volume profiler real quick. Volume visible range profile. Yeah, there's a range here from, okay, hold on, let me shrink this down a little bit. Yeah, the strongest activity was around 8,000. I don't think we get there, but yeah, 12,000 to 9,300. Yeah, a lot of buyers, a lot of activity in these volume in those ranges, but we'll see what happens today as the traditional markets open up. The SPY, I'll be watching those closely. But anyways, yeah, quick update. I'll leave these green and red lines open for a while. I'll eventually remove them, but I just kind of want to have those there as historical levels of, like, you know, I'm a buyer if it gets above this green and holds as support, or I'm just going to stay in cash under this red, wait for it to break the 200 week, wait for it to break 20K. Now I'm buying, and that's what I'm doing. So that's it. Oh, Juneteenth holiday. Yeah, I forget, what is Juneteenth supposed to be? That's like a new holiday in America for something. Dang it, markets are closed. Well, crypto never closes. Thanks, SK. Thanks, Danera, for watching. Yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. So you always want to kind of